Hello everyone. New to Uber driving in Canada, here's a simple guide on how to use the Uber Driver app, even if you haven't opened it yet. So first, when you're ready to drive or deliver, just open the app and then tap go, right? So, and if you want more tips on Uber, so you can find this, just go to this link here and it has like all the basics of driving with Uber, and you can find everything you need like getting a car ready to safety with the Uber app and how you can get support also for Uber Eats and if you want to deliver, right? And if you want to start taking trips, you can just click any of the link here and like it has all the necessary details. For example, if you want to take airport trips, let me show you how. So this is where you can find every information about airport trips. So this is the basic. First, you need to accept the order, and then the app will show you where your local airport approved pickup or drop off location is. Then just drive there and then wait for the passenger to arrive, and you'll get a notification on your mobile. So if you want to just start taking basic trips, this is how a trip works. So first you'll get a notification on your mobile and that someone is looking for an Uber. So you need to accept the trip, then go to the location, pick up the driver, and then you just start the trip and drop your passenger off, and they will pay you via card or cash. So there are some other trips like multi-stop trips, back-to-back trips. The app is very user friendly. So even if you haven't used it yet, you can start using it from your day one and start tracking trips. All right. And after every trip, you will see how much you have earned right away. You can also track your daily and weekly goals and earning tabs. Also, Uber sends you weekly earnings automatically to your bank account. If you want faster access, you can use Instant Pay to cash out anytime. And rider and drivers both rate each other after every trip. Keep your ratings high by being punctual, polite, and driving safely. And if you ever need help, the Uber Help Center is always available. They can get like 24/7 support through the app, or if you want to speak with an agent, go to help in your Dabber app, then call support. And that's it. Once your account is active, just tap go and start driving. You're in control here, so safe driving.